Welcome to this SIAA Training and Learning Center overview of the Risk Analyzer. Now, the Risk Analyzer is designed to give a basic overview of exposures or risk areas that are found when working with common business types. As you notice, you have a menu selection that helps guide you through each one of those business types. You can view this training in its entirety or just leap to the section that you want to go ahead and focus on. Let's take a look at a few of the examples that are part of the Risk Analyzer. Welcome to the SIAA Risk Analyzer training. Now, the purpose of this training is very simple. What we're going to do is show you some businesses and industries that require business insurance. We're going to point out key risk factors that exist in those businesses. What's important to note is that you concentrate on those risk factors and build your knowledge from there. Prepare yourself before you go on to similar sites in which these types of industries and these businesses are represented. Remember, build the basic knowledge, formulate how you're going to address each one of these concerns before you meet with the customer, and have a plan of attack and a series of questions ready to help overcome these risk factors. The students also have an opportunity to look at the common risk areas that transcend a business type. So not only do the students learn about the unique aspects of a particular type of market segment, such as a restaurant or a garage or janitorial service, they also find out about the general areas that transcend all business types. It's important to remember that each business type is truly unique unto itself. However, it's also important to understand that there are common areas of exposure that exist from industry to industry. What we're going to do right now is talk about those common areas. It's still important for you to ask the right questions and listen to the answers, but also to adapt those common areas of exposure to the uniqueness of that particular industry that you're talking to. Now, once the students go through the general overview, they can move about the menu and select the particular market segment or business type they want to focus in on. They also have the ability to use the quick launch. So as they look at each one of these areas, they can move about as they want to focus during their training exercise. For example, let's look at cybercrime. What you notice is that the student is presented with an easy interactive access panel, and they can move about and find out about those key areas so that they're ready when they're actually having a conversation with the customer. For example, now, each one of the scenarios are slightly different in the way that they present the information. For example, let's go look at a restaurant. Hold your mouse arrow over the yellow dot to find out more about that risk factor for this business classification. So once again, what the Risk Analyzer is doing is giving the insurance agent the opportunity to learn more about those factors before they actually meet with the customer. The Risk Analyzer is just another tool available to you inside of the SIAA Training and Learning Center, also known as the TLC. If you'd like to get access to the Training and Learning Center, reach out to your master agency, or you can reach out to the training department here at SIAA at training@siaa.net. That's training@siaa.net. Thank you and have a great day.